Now this gun, I really love this gun. And this is why it's gonna be my next carry conceal, because it's a small gun. It is a very small gun. It is ultra concealable. Now I have really small hands already, but this fits in the palm of my hand. Do you see how small this gun is? I can wear this gun to exercise in. I could carry this gun everywhere. And as a lady, this is a great gun to carry concealed if you're wearing cute clothing. All of the features on this gun are streamlined, and I really love that the trigger guard is so large. So this means that if you have big hands or you're a guy with big fingers, you're not gonna have any problems getting your finger into this trigger guard. Now, as in regard to the trigger, it's your typical SIG Sauer trigger. You know, the break is good, the pull is good. Some people don't like the trigger and they put a modified trigger in there, or they make modifications to the gun to suit them. For me, this trigger pulls great. I don't own this gun yet, but I have shot it several times at the range and I really love it. I love the fact that something that's different about this gun is that normally the magazine is designed around the gun. But what SIG says is that the gun was designed around the magazine. This tiny little magazine holds 10 rounds of ammunition in here. And I think that is great that you can have that in a double stack and still fit the gun into your hand the way I'm holding it here. Now, they have a 10 round mag that comes flush with it, and then they have an extended mag that just comes out just a little bit. Even though this gun is smaller, the accuracy of this gun is great. I know a lot of people who are in the gun world professionally, and I know several firearms instructors that love to carry this as their everyday carry. Now, this comes with two 10 round magazines, and you can purchase an optional 12 round magazine for this tiny little gun that really just extends the grip just a little bit. That gives you almost double the amount of ammunition that you can carry of the Glock 43. This gun is super cute. You can get the slide in chrome. It really looks good in chrome. It's very, you know, it's my style. But I really also like that the sights on here are low and they're pretty close to being level with the weapon. The sights on here are SIG Sauer's X-Ray 3 sights. Now you have the front sight is high visibility for day and night. The back sights are the same tritium valve, but they're blacked out. This sight is serrated on the back here, which reduces glare for low light situations. This gun is great for around the clock use. When comparing this gun to other small carry concealed or micro compact pistols, to me, this really just takes the cake. You have 11 rounds of ammunition in this tiny little gun. I also really love that I have control of this weapon. That is the most important thing. And I think that when it comes to the smaller guns, you kind of sometimes could lose control just because you don't have that full grip. So if you have bigger hands, you definitely need that extended magazine for that pinky extension. However, for me, it feels good. It's super light, it's easy to clean. Ladies, if you're looking for your first carry concealed pistol, this might be it. Fellas, if you're looking for your first carry concealed pistol, this might be it. Everyone, if you are looking for a great carry concealed pistol, this is it. It's affordable, it's reliable, and it's SIG Sauer. I mean, you really can't go wrong. So, do I recommend this gun? Heck yeah, for everybody. But it's gonna be for me next.